Okay, we're in Sriracha. There's a Tara Mall. Looks like it's kind of right in the center of the city. I think these might be condos or apartments. There's like Oakwood. There's another one right there as well. And we're just kind of looking out into the city, and it seems like there's kind of a lot of interesting stuff. I saw lots of stuff down this way and down this way. So we're just gonna check it all out and see what it looks like. Pindoya. Okay, so let's go take a look. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, Sriracha. Let's take a look. So it's nighttime and we have temple right there. I was kind of curious what it might look like at night, and it seems like there's kind of a lot of there's a night market over there, and there's also things all the way down that way too, which is the downtown area. So let's take a look this direction first. And I think I might just try to highlight so I won't walk the whole time with it. But yeah, I think this is actually a mall that has Indian delicacy buffet daily. Best rooftop bar and bistro as well. Interesting. Live band as well. A lot of Japanese things. It looks like it might actually be a little bit open. Yeah, it is actually. So we might just take a quick little peek in here. It started like 10 o'clock at night, so I guess there might actually be, there's actually people inside. Okay, so let's take a look and see what else we got here. Very interesting. So we're just gonna look at this. There's a condo for 919,000. Wow, that's kind of cool. There's a lot of tall buildings right here in the center part as well. Very interesting. Okay. So I'm just going to explore and walk around a little bit, and then we'll turn the camera on. There are all these tall buildings everywhere. Okay, let's see what else is around here. Sort of nice density to it. Okay. So let's turn the camera off for a little bit, and then we're going to walk around and explore. There's a lot of interesting stuff. There's a lot of Japanese. There's a Tomodachi Japanese. There's another one. So it's like there's some stuff over that way. There's also this one right here too. Look at this one. So I think it's closing, but kind of a nice little venue. Wow, they got all the sake against the wall too back there. Wow. Smoking area, you can sit right there. Wow. That's kind of cool. And over here we got massage and a Japanese. So Yukari Massage. Japanese restaurant over there. Massage shop over here. Let me just kind of check this. Massage and Japanese snack and another Japanese restaurant. Kind of lively. So we're going to keep on walking around. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know if I can even bring a camera down. Okay. We also got all these kind of snacks and things too. Another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. and I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.
Toma cuidado la voz divina.